Okay, good morning everyone.
Morning, sir.
Morning po.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Tuesday. Yes, good morning, good morning. We are now in the day 2 of our last week for Mathematics 7. We are on week number 9. So recognizing the attendance, we have Charisse, Cyril, Densley, Jane, Christoph, Crizel, Red, and still waiting for the others. We are 8 all in all, including me. Okay? So to begin with, are you who finished the quiz 18 yesterday? Sino nakatapos na? And we will do the checking right now. Please type me on the chat box kung natapos niyo na po. Restop is done. Sino na po ang natapos? Isa lang po, Christoph. Sige, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to finalize your answer. You are given 5 minutes to finalize your answer. So yung activity po natin kahapon, quiz number 18, we will do the checking right now. So I'll be giving you 5 minutes to finalize your answer. This was the activity, right? Okay, sino na po ang natapos? Type me on the chat box so that I will know. This is just true or false with solution. So 5 minutes, then we will do the checking. Your time starts now. Okay? So 5 minutes. You have to make sure that you have your solution. Okay, last 4 minutes. Again, recognizing the attendance, we have Charisse, Cyril, Densley, Jane, Christoph, Grisel, Red, Nico, and Inko. Lord also is here. So we have 2 minutes left to answer and finalize your quiz number 18 yesterday, and we will do the checking. So to those who are not finished yet, please answer it now. The link is in the chat box. Just true or false, but complete solution. Okay, time's up. Sino na po natapos? Please type on the chat box kung natapos na po. Or you need more time. Please tell me kung kailangan pa ba ng extra time or continue na. Just type on the chat box. Anyone? I don't know the status right now. Kailangan ko bang magbigay ng oras pa or shall we check? Class, naririnig ba ako?
Opo.
So, pwede bang mag-check na tayo or hindi pa? Okay, class, ano na dyan? Tapos na ba or hindi pa?
Di pa po.
Hindi po. Extension of minutes. Okay, up to 15 minutes only. Then we will do the checking. Charis is done. There are only 4 questions here. My last 4 minutes. Miko is already done. Rizal is also done. Jane is done. Cyril is done. Ashley is done. Lensley is finished. Okay, maybe we could do the checking now. Last 1 minute. Sige, last 1 minute. Red is finished. So maybe we could check it. So the activity is true or false, tama? But you are going to solve that one. So let's have the first question. Ang question po, nag-rumbled po siya. So in other words, maybe your number 1 there might be my number 2 here or number 4. Okay? So just follow the solution. Okay, the first given is in 6x minus 10 equals 8x equals 3. So how do we solve that one? So what is your answer there? Is it true or false?
True.
True daw po. So let us see if it is true. So in 6x minus 10 equals 8x equals 3. So 6x, as you can see on the whiteboard, we have 6x minus 10 equals 8. Palitan daw natin si x ng 3. So magiging 6 times 3 minus 10 equals 8. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 10 equals 8. 18 minus 10, that is 8. Is 8 equal to 8? Yes, that is true. Okay, so the answer here is true. So 4 items only. So 5 points ang tama. Next, with solution na yan ha. 5 points ang tama with solution at saka true na nilagay. 2 points naman po ang mali. Okay? With solution na po yan. Okay, next. Next question. We have itong in 7x minus 5 equals 16x is equals to negative 3. Is that true or false? Type your answer in the chat box, please. In 7x minus 5 equals 16, x equals negative 3. False daw po from Ashley. False. Crystal. Cyril, false. Jane, false. So let's reveal if the answer is false nga ba. So Jane is also false. So allow me to erase this one. So 7x minus 5 equals 16. And we are going to replace x with negative 3. Minus 5 equals 16. So 3 times 7, 21. So lang, negative at saka positive. So magiging negative 21 na siya. Then minus 5 equals 16. Okay? So next, 21 minus 15, that is negative. May utang ka na negative 21, may utang ka pa na 5. Ilan na lahat utang mo? 26. So since utang siya, negative 26. And they are not equal. Okay? So therefore, they are false. The answer here is false. Negative 26 is not equal to 16. Same ang scoring. 5 points ang tama, 2 points ang mali. Okay, very good. Tama kayo lahat. Okay, next question. So we have in 6x minus 10 equals 8. Ay, nasagutan na ito kanina. That's true. So next. That's false. Next. In 5x equals 30, x equals 6. What is your answer there? Is it true or false? In 5x equals 30, x equals 6. True from Christoph. Jane has the same answer. Cyril is also true. Nico true. Ashley true. Giselle true. Charis is true. So let's review. Okay. So we have 5x equals 30, then x equals 6. So 5 times 6, of course, pretty obvious. 6 times 5 is 30. That is equal to 30. So the answer there is true. Okay, very good. Stay still the same. 5 points for the correct one, 2 points for the incorrect. Okay, the fourth question. Ito yung mahirap. Yung in 7x plus 5 equals 9, x is equal to 4 over 7. Is that true or false? Type your answer in the chat box, please. In 7x plus 5 equals 9, x is equal to 4 over 7. Christoph, false. Nico, false. Cyril, false. Okay, let's reveal. So we have 7x plus 5 equals 9. We're going to replace it by 4 over 7. 7, 4 over 7 plus 5 equals 9. Cancelled ang 7, cancelled ang 7. Anong matira? 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Is 9 equal to 9? Yes, that is true. Marami po ang nagkamali. So that is true. The answer there is true. Ashley got it right. Okay. Ashley got it right. So nabiktima kayo ng computer. Sabi kasi ng computer dito, false daw ang answer. Pero it's not false. It's true. Okay, next. This is another 5 points. So kung meron pa, So, sino nakasagot nito? Na number 5. Apat lang kasi ang sagutan ninyo, pero maraming questions dyan. So, for number 5, this is in 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 equals 13. Ang iba sa inyo hindi nakasagot nito. Ang iba nakasagot actually. So, sino po ang nakasagot nito? 2x minus 5 equals 13. X equals 4. So, magiging 4 na si x. Minus 5 equals 13. 2 times 4, that is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, that is 3 equals 13. So, that is not equal, so false. The answer here is false for number 5. Okay, next, number 6. Okay, wala na po. Nagulit-ulit na po. So, that's the activity or quiz number 18. Send me your scores and your solution on your notebook in our page at www.facebook.com/Yumang2021. The total score is 20/20. So how much is your score? What is your score rather? Please type on the chat box. Para malaman ko po, then send it in our page, including your solution. 20, Ashley, very good. 17, Jane. Tyrell, 17. Number 4 question, siguro kayo nagkamali. Okay, not bad. At least you got it, 17. So we are now on, Christoph is 17. So we are now on lesson number 1, day number 2 of solving linear equations inequalities in one variable. So yesterday, we solved it using the equations gamit ang graphical. Ngayon, inequalities naman tayo, like less than, greater than. Nico got 16, Rizal got 17, Christoph got 17. Okay? Gamit ang graphical method. So, di na tayo mag-game number 1 kasi nga, gitry ko ito kanina, medyo mahirapan kayo kasi cellphone yung gamit niyo. Usually kasi sa laptop ito ginagamit. So, let's continue na diretso with our lesson. So, solving linear inequalities in one variable. So, we are going to graph the following. Can we take a look with number 1 example? Sabi po dyan sa number 1, x is less than 1. X is less than 1. So, we are going to graph it. Okay, pag mag-graph, isulat ang linya. Okay, next with arrow, So, less than 1. Ano ba ang mga numbers less than 1? Sige daw, i-type nyo sa chat box. Ano ang mga numbers less than 1? Mas maliit kay 1. Magbigay lang ng kahit 3. 0. Tama si Jane. What else? Negative 1. Yes, that's true, Christoph and Cyril. That's true. Miko, that's true. So, lahat ng numbers na mas mababa, wala pong negative 0, Ashley. Ang 0 is neutral. So, wala po siyang negative. Tama yung 0, pero yung negative 0, hindi po pwede. Okay? So, can we look at this? So, 1 less than 1. So, ano yung mga numbers less than 1? We have 0, negative 1, negative 2. So, kung ilagay natin dito ang 1, ang next sa kanya is 0. Ang next sa kanya, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on and so forth. So sabi po dyan, mas mababa daw kay 1. So ano ngayon ang itsura ng graph natin kapag mas mababa siya kay 1? So since wala siyang underline there, tulad ng wala siyang ganyan, oh, less than or equal to, parang ganon. So ano yung numbers na mas mababa kay 1? Sulat dito sa taas. Yan. Lagyan ng 0 or circle. Then, you put an arrow going to the negative side. Okay. Bakit papunta sa negative? Kasi po, less than 1 man siya. So, mas mababa kay 1. 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? That is circle without shade. So, that is the answer for x is less than 1. Okay? Please copy. Next, number 2 naman, x is greater than 1. So you draw the graph, the number line rather. Okay. Ano yung mga numbers na greater kay 1? Rizal, sabi niya, ay wala pa. So, ano yung mga numbers na greater than 1? Just give me 3. Greater than 1. 2, yes. Can we include 1 ba? 3, 3. What else? 4, 5. Napakadami, di ba? 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang 1 ba, pwedeng isali? Yes or no? Can we include 1? Yes or no? Pwede ba natin isali ang 1? Yes or no? X should be greater than 1. Sabi ni Christoph, yes daw po. Oy, nag-change siya ng mind. No daw kasi greater than 1. Kaya ni Christoph. Okay, the answer here is no. We could not include it. Pwede natin include si 1 kung meron siyang or equal to sa baba. Kaso lang wala man siyang or equal to. So, hindi pwede sali si 1. So, ano yung mga numbers kay greater than 1? That is 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Kung dito ang 0 natin, 1, ay mali, ba't ko nyo nilagay? So, like, so if this is our 0, this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So, gagawa natin siya ngayon ng graph. So, mas malaki man daw kay 1. So, circle dyan na walang shade, then arrow papunta doon na side. Okay? So, please copy. Next, number 3. X should be greater, less than, or equal to 1. Ito, meron na or equal to. Ano kayang itsura niyan? So, in this case, or equal to man siya, so kasali na dyan ang 1. So, less than, or equal to 1. So, we have 1, 2, ay, mali. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on and so forth. Okay, so less than or equal to 1. Mas maliit, pero kasali si 1. Since kasali si 1, ang circle nyo shaded. Okay? Dito, hindi man kasali si 1, wala siyang underline. So therefore, open. This one, closed or shaded. Then you put an arrow papunta dito. Okay? So please copy. Number 3. Okay, next, number 4. Sabi po sa number 4, we have x should be greater than or equal to 1. Allow me to move it for a little. Yan po. So, gagawa tayo ng graph. Yan. So, greater than or equal to 1. Greater than 1, so kasali si 1 dyan kasi meron siyang underline. Okay? So, greater than or equal to 1, if this is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Since kasali si 1, i-shade natin yung 1. Or closed siya, hindi siya open. Okay? That is the solution or the graph for number 4. Okay, please copy, type done if you're done sa 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos nito, magkakaroon tayo ng your turn activity. Okay, everyone, we are 12 all in all. Please type done if you're done so that I can proceed. Okay? So, sige daw, your turn daw. Gawaan nyo ito ng graph. The given is, sa taas ha, the given is x greater than 5. Sige daw, gawa nyo daw ng graph. X is greater than 5. X is greater than 5. So what are the numbers that are greater than 5? We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tama? And so on and so forth. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute natin sagutan yan, then we will check. Okay, time's up. Tingnan natin kung anong sagot nyo. The same ba tayo ng sagot? So, tingnan nyo ha. This is the graph. Ano yung mga numbers greater than 5? Tiko lagi yan. Okay, what are the numbers that are greater than 5? We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So, can we use 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So, greater than 5. Dito yon, hollow or shaded. Ano nga ba? So, that is open or closed. So, the answer here is like that. Okay, kung tama ang sagot nyo, lagyan nyo ng isang check ang inyong notebook. Okay, next. What if naman, idaan natin siya sa solving with these more examples that I'll be presenting. So kindly to take a look with letter A. So for letter A, the given is x plus 2 greater than 5. In this case, you are going to solve it first before you are going to graph. So isolve niyo muna tulad ng lesson natin last week. Again, ang rule dito lahat ng variables nasa left side, while lahat ng numbers nasa right side. So x, okay, plus 2, ililipat natin sa kabila yung plus 2. Okay? So, pwede nating ganito ang pag-solve. There are two ways to solve that one. You are maybe pwede nyo gawin ang ganito. 5, tapos ilipat yung 2 dyan sa kabila, magiging minus 2. Okay? Pwedeng ganyan ang pag-solve. Or, kung ayaw nyo naman ng ganyan, meron din ganito. Yung x plus 2 na given, greater than 5, x plus 2, mag-minus kayo ng 2 dyan. So, 5, mag-minus din kayo ng 2 dito. Parang ganon. Pwede pong ganyan ang pag-solve. Diba there are two ways to solve that one, tulad ng ituro ko last week. So, para mas madali, ilipat nyo na lang. That is minus 2. So, x should be greater than 5 minus 2. That is 3. So, the answer here is x is greater than 3. Now, meron na tayong solution na x is greater than 3. Diyan na tayo ngayon mag-graph. Okay? So, let's do the graph. So, the numbers that are greater than 3, that is 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so on and so forth. Okay? So, since wala siyang underline, hindi natin siya i-shade. Open siya. Okay? Then, arrow. That is the answer for letter A. Okay? So, you try. You try this one. X plus 1 greater than 2. Okay? X plus 1 is greater than 2. You solve it first. Solve niyo muna. Then, post your answer kung ano ang solution, ang sagot ninyo. Okay? Your turn. X plus 1 greater than 2. Christoph, greater than 1 ang sagot niya. Others? Others, please. Still waiting for the others to post their answer. Greater than 2 kay Nico. Paano kaya nangyari ang greater than 2? At saka paano nangyari ang greater than 1? Others, please. Charis is greater than 1. Jane has greater than 1 answer. Okay, let's reveal. So we have x plus 1 greater than 2. In this case, lahat po ng variables sa left side, lahat ng numbers sa right side. So ang 1 nilipat maging minus 1. Okay, next. So we have x greater than 2 minus 1, that is 1. So therefore, the answer is greater than 1. Okay, recognizing the attendance, we have Emilio. Okay po, Emilio. So, line. Gawa ng line. So, ano yung mga numbers na greater than 1? We have 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So, open po ang ating circle kasi po wala po siyang underline. So, this is now the answer. Okay? So, next, let's have letter B for our next example. Negative 8 greater than or equal to x minus 5. Okay, allow me to erase this one. If that is the case, negative 8 greater than or equal to x minus 5, lahat po ng variable na sa left side. Lahat ng numbers na sa right side. Okay, ilipat muna natin yung x sa kabila. So from positive x, magiging negative x na siya. Okay, tapos may natira dyan na minus 5. Itong 8 naman, ilipat natin sa right side. From negative 8, magiging plus 8 na siya. Okay, next, negative x greater than or equal to. May utang ka na 5, may binayad ka na 8. Ilan na lang ang natira? 3. And natira is positive. Next, meron mang negative 1 dito. Negative, di ba? So, meron siyang invisible negative 1. Invisible negative 1. Okay? Cancel ang negative, cancel ang negative 1. Ang matira dyan ngayon, x. Kaso lang, negative yung i-divide mo. Since negative ang i-divide mo, magbaliktad ngayon ang symbol. Okay? Kapag negative po ang i-divide, magbaliktad talaga yung symbol. From greater than, naging less than or equal to na siya. So, 3 divided by negative 1, ang 3 divide mo sa 1, 3 pa din. Kaso lang, positive si 3, negative naman si 1, so magiging negative din dyan. Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Okay? So, x is less than or equal to negative 3. Less than daw kay negative 3, mas bababa pa kay negative 3. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on and so forth. Ganun na siya. Next, underline man siya, so naka-shade siya dito ang circle. Okay? Then you put the arrow. That's the answer for letter B example. Okay? Please copy letter B for your example. Then type done if you're done for letter B. Then we will have your turn activity. Okay, spin the wheel na pala ang next natin na game. So, for spin the wheel, your turn pa pala na, your turn. Okay, this is your turn activity. Negative 5 less than or equal to x minus 1. Okay, negative 5 less than or greater than or equal to x minus 1. Negative 5 greater than or equal to x minus 1. Okay, start answering now. You are given 2 minutes. The time starts now. Then tell me what is the value of x. So we have the answer now. X should be greater than or equal to negative 4. Christoph, greater than or equal to negative 4. Emilio, greater than or equal to negative 4. Also, Densley and Emilio. We have the same answer. So let's reveal. Okay, time's up. That's 2 minutes. So negative 5 less than or equal to x minus 1. So ilipat si x sa kabila, magiging negative x. Si 5 naman magiging positive 5, then minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1 magiging 4, so negative x. So bring down 1, bring down negative 1. Then divide, divide, cancelled. X will be great, since negative 1 yung divide natin, mag-change agad siya. And negative 4 is the answer. Okay, very good. So let's do the graphing. So ano yung mga number na mas maliit kay negative 4? We have negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and so on and so forth. So negative 4, since naka-underline siya, shaded tayo, then you do the arrow. Okay, so that's the answer. Very good. Marunong na kayo. Okay, let's have game number 2. For game number 2, that is spin the wheel. You will be just selecting 4 questions out of 8 questions. So, 4 lamang po. Then you are going to write your complete solution on your notebook and send it in our page. So, allow me or give me 30 seconds to get the link on the chat box. So, allow me to erase it. We are now on quiz number 19. That's 20 over 20. Only 4 questions, 4 items. Again, 4 items only. Tapos, 5 points ang tama, 2 points ang incorrect. Okay? So, this is the spin the wheel. Complete solution. Do not forget to make it complete. Then send your solution and your score after we check for 5 minutes. So, we have 15 minutes left. Or we could end it earlier. Tomorrow na lang natin siguro chikan. As long as meron kayong matapos ngayon na kahit dalawa lang. Pagka 8:55, we will end para makarest pa yung eyes ninyo for the next subject. Okay? At dalawa lang muna ang tapusin nyo ngayon. If there is a problem, just post in the chat box. Mag-CR lang ako saglit, class. Okay, class, kindly turn on your cameras. We will do the screenshot of our faces for the checking of attendance. Just continue answering and we will check that one tomorrow. Okay, please turn on your cameras now. Emilio, Cyril, Densley, Christoph, Ashley, please turn on your cameras. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Smile. Okay, I hope you enjoy our class today. God bless. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye po.
Bye.